2 exponent x is equal to x exponent 32. Solution. We have 2 exponent x is equal to x exponent 32. So with this, we have to find a way to cancel out x. So with this, we can cancel out x by multiplying it with 1 on x. Okay, so you can say that 2 power x multiplied by 1 over x, the same thing, x power 32, 1 over x. See, so we are going to get 2x multiplied by 1 over x is equal to multiplied by 1 over x. Okay, so x will cancel out x. I'm going to get 2 is equal to x exponent 32 and x. The 32 times 1 is 32 over x. Okay, so with this, we also need to cancel out something here, that is the 32. So we can introduce all to the power exponent 1 on 32. So we are going to get 2 exponent 1 on 32 is equal to x exponent 32 on x multiplied by 1 on 32. So we are going to get 2 exponent 1 on 32 is equal to x 32 on x multiplying by 1 on 32. So you can see that this one will cancel this. Okay, leaving 1 on x. So it's going to be 2 exponent 1 on 32 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Okay, so now we hold this and we solve the left hand side to look like this one. Okay, so we hold this and we solve this towards the left hand side. Okay, so let's multiply here by 2. So going to be 2 is by 1 on 3, 2. Okay, so multiply by 2 on 2. So it's going to be 2, 1 on 32 multiplied by 2 over 2 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. And this here is going to give us 2 exponent. So it's going to give us exponent 2 on 64, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Okay, this we can rewrite this one as 2 exponent 2 bracket 1 on 64 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Okay, we factorize 2 outside, that's it. So 2 times 1, we get back this. So that's how we had this. Okay, so with this, 2 squared is 4. So can get 4 exponent 1 on 64 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Okay, so we can also multiply the powers by 2. 2 and 2. So we are going to get 4 exponent 1 on 64 multiplied by 2 on 2, like this, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. So with this, I'm going to get 4. 2 on 64 times 2 is 128, which is equal to x exponent 1 x. So with this, we can factorize or bring 2 inside. So we are going to get 4 squared, see, bracket 1 on 128 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. And 4 squared 16, so it will be 16 exponent 1 on 128, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. We will continue. So we also get, when you multiply by it, to be 16 1 on 128 times 2 on 2 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. So we have 1 times 2, so it's 16 exponent 1 times 2 is 2. Then on 128 times 2 is 256, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Okay. So now we can do the same thing by 16 exponent 2, which bracket 1 on 256 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. And you know that 16 times 16 is equal to 256. So I say that 256 exponent 1 on 256 is equal to x 1 on x. Okay. So let me rewrite this again. Get 256 exponent 1 on 256 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. So you can see that when you compare, if this is x, get x 1 over x, the same as x exponent 1 over x. So therefore, our x is equal to 256. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.